Happy morning, children. Happy Children's Day. Today is your day. I wish all of you a very happy Children's Day. My dear children, as you all know, we are celebrating our Children's Day in our country on the birth anniversary of our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was loving the children very much, so he dedicated his birthday as Children's Day. On the eve of the Children's Day, you all should enjoy the day with fun and merrymaking. As you are the birds of tomorrow's flower, you are the future citizen of our nation. You are the nation builder. You should play happily, love your parents, and your parents and teachers will facilitate you for building your character and career both. So, this is a message for the stakeholders to facilitate you by all means for building you as a responsible citizen. So that's all. Thank you very much. Happy Children's Day. Happy Diwali.
Good morning, all of you. On this special occasion, I wish you all a happy Children's Day and happy Diwali. My dear students, may the innocence of your smile and the purity of your heart stay forever unfaded. You are the future, the hope for a brighter tomorrow. You are the symbol of promise and potentiality. Stay safe at your home. Enjoy your days. Again, I wish you happy Children's Day and happy Deepavali. Thank you.
Good morning, children. Happy Children's Day to all of you. You are the responsible citizens of tomorrow. You should be obedient to your parents, teachers, and all older people that you come across. But wait and pay attention to the right advice. Be diligent in your studies and come out in flying colors and make all of us proud. May God bless you, may God help you, and make all the circumstances favorable for you. Once again, wish you all Happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Dear all the beautiful souls, at last the very special day knocked the door. Yes, dear students, today to commemorate the birth anniversary of the first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was very fond of the children's. Okay, all around the country, the Children's Day celebrations is going on. Dear all, to let you know the importance of your childhood, your rights, your caring, and your education. We are not physically at one place, but virtually. This is the message from my side. A very happy Children's Day to you all. You all are the future of our nation, future of our society. Only I can say realize your potential, do the self-assessment, and go forward. Wish you all the good luck for your bright future and for your upcoming board examinations. Lots of love and God bless you. Wish you all the best.
Hello students, good morning everyone. Wish you a happy Children's Day on this special day, as you guys always celebrate the Teachers Day in a high spirit. So we are also wishing you in same enthusiasm to you on your day. So for all of you, I will quote a line from Picasso. He said, there is an artist in each and every individual or children, basically. So I want you to bring out that artist in you. That artist may be from any field and you can achieve anything with that artist. So never ever let your artist get down. And for all the board students, I wish you all the best from now. I will be there for you. I will be there for you always, and I can help you anything what you need. So I know with our help and with your effort, you can achieve anything whatever you think to achieve. So with hard work, with all your efforts and some help from us, definitely we can make a record this year, so we can bring the best result for the school as well as for the whole city Keonjhar. Thank you and wish you again a happy Children's Day.
I am fortunate to see you all growing up in front of my eyes. Meeting all the wonderful students in this journey gave me an opportunity to learn. I wish that you never give up in life, treat the obstacles as opportunities and grab the success. May you have a bright future with every ounce of happiness of the world. I'm truly blessed to have such wonderful, caring and supporting students in my life. Hope you become kinder and wiser over time. Have a joyous Children's Day to all my students.
All my smiley and worthy souls, on the eve of Diwali and Children's Day, I wish you a happy, prosperous, bright and proliferating life in your future. Thank you.
Hello students, wishing you a very happy Children's Day. Never let the kid in yourself die and make sure to take care of it whenever it needed. And I'm sure your kinder heart would make everything better. And at the same time, I'm wishing you a very good luck for your coming examinations. As you know, your examinations are coming. So do your hard work, give your best effort and keep making us proud. Thank you.
स्रष्टार सृष्टि अमृतमय भगवानकर अमृतमय सृष्टि रे मनीष श्रेष्ठ जीव शिशु होउछि मनीषर सान रूप मात्र ता भितरे अनेक संभावना भरी रहिछि शिशु प्रेमी नेहरूंका पवित्र जन्मोत्सव रे मु मोर भक्तिपूत श्रद्धांजलि अर्पण करूछि शिशु सत्य मुकलित कलिकाटी परिवार और समाज रूपी उद्यान रे उन्मुक्त होई विचरण करुताए शिशु भली कमललता जेतेबेले पुष्पित हुए निज स्वरभरे सुरभित करे निज अंचल देश माटी एवं जगत को सुवर्णभूमि भारत भूमिर प्रतिटी धूलिकणारे रहिछि ज्ञानर भंडार भारतीय शिक्षा पद्धति रहिछि संस्कार चरित्र गठन सत्य त्याग दान महानता परोपकार सद्गुण सदाचार शिक्षा प्रातः कालरू शଯ୍ୟା त्याग करी पुनः रात्रि समय शଯ୍ୟା को जीवा समय पर्यंत अनुशासनर शिक्षा दिया जाए संस्कार चरित्र ज्ञानर त्रिवेणी संगम होछि भारतीय शिक्षा सत्यर अनुसंधान ही ज्ञानर उद्देश्य तेबे शिशु मानक उद्देश्य कुहा जाइछि शिशुटीए बोली भावना ही ताको शिशु नुहे केबे निस्व शिशुटीए बोली भावना ही ताको शिशु नुहे केबे निस्व शिशुटी भितरे लुचि रही अछि एक एक महाविश्व
हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हो बच्चों आप लोग सब? आई होप सब अच्छे ही होंगे। तो आज बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट डे है बच्चों, दैट इज चिल्ड्रंस डे। सो आई विश यू ऑल ए वेरी 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 हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे एंड एट द सेम टाइम आई विश यू ए वेरी हैप्पी दीपावली। तो बच्चों चिल्ड्रंस डे बच्चों का दिन है ना, तो हमारे अंदर क्या जो बचपन हमारा होता था क्या वो अभी भी है हमारे अंदर या नहीं है, कहाँ खो गया? तो इसके लिए मैंने कुछ लिखा है, होपफुली आप लोगों को पसंद आएगा। ठीक है, जहाँ ना पैसे का मोल था ना लाइफ में कोई गोल था, वहाँ बचपन है। जहाँ खिलौने वाली गाड़ी मिलने पर हम खुशी से पागल हो जाते थे, वहाँ बचपन है। जहाँ सुबह माँ के उठाने से होता है सवेरा, वहाँ बचपन है। जहाँ बिना मतलब के होती है दोस्ती, वहाँ बचपन है। जहाँ पापा के घर लौटने से हम दौड़कर मिलने जाते थे, वहाँ बचपन है। जहाँ मैथ्स के नाम सुनते ही बेहोशी सी छा जाती थी, वहाँ बचपन है। जहाँ फिजिक्स के टीचर को अक्सर बच्चे पूछा करते थे, सर अगर एप्पल न्यूटन के सर पर गिरा होता तो ज्यादा अच्छा होता, वहाँ बचपन है। जहाँ केमिस्ट्री में केमिकल इक्वेशन लिखते ही हम खुद को डॉक्टर जैसा फील करते थे, वहाँ बचपन है। जहाँ बायो लैब में मेंढक को काट कर हम खुद को सर्जन बताते थे, वहाँ बचपन है। और जहाँ हिस्ट्री सिविक्स के क्लास में पिछले पन्ने पर हम कलाकृति करते थे, वहाँ बचपन है। और फाइनली बच्चों, जहाँ बड़े होने के बाद भी, इज्जत और दौलत कमाने के बाद भी हम माँ बाप से लिपट कर रोते हैं, वहाँ बचपन है। Thank you all and a very happy Children's Day to all of you once again.
Wishing you a happy Children's Day. Just believe in yourself and follow your dreams. Definitely you are going to reach your destination. God bless you all and wishing you a happy Diwali.
आप सब हो वो चमकते सितारे जिनके बिना हम टीचर्स की जिंदगी है अधूरे। ना किसी को सुबह से सुनाया, ना किसी को डांटा, बड़े अजीब लगते हैं ये स्कूल का सन्नाटा। आपकी वो प्यारी सी हंसी वाली गुड मॉर्निंग मिस कर रही हूँ मैं, पर मजबूर मैं भी हूँ जो आपको स्कूल नहीं बुला पा रही हूँ मैं। पर फिर से हम लोग उस क्लासेस में मिलेंगे और खूब सारी मौज मस्ती करेंगे, पर आप डटकर इस मुसीबत का सामना करना और अच्छे बच्चों की तरह बड़ों का आदर करना। विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे टू ऑल ऑफ यू एंड हैप्पी दिवाली टू ऑल ऑफ यू।
Hello my dear students, as you know Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November on the birthday of our first Prime Minister of Independence India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who emphasized the importance of love and affection to children. So enjoy your day and make proud to your parents, your school, your society, and also your nation. And wish you all the best for your exam, and wish you very, very happy Children's Day and also happy Diwali to all of you. Thank you so much.
एक दिन ऐसा था जब लग रहा था कि जब बड़े हो जाएंगे तो सब कुछ अच्छा होगा, लेकिन जब वो दिन आ गया तब ऐसे लग रहा है कि बच्चे थे तो अच्छे थे. So a happy Children's Day to all of my purest souls. Always remember one thing, a child can always teach an adult in 3 ways. First one is to be happy for no reason. Second one is to always be busy with something. And the third one is to know how to fulfill your genuine demands and desires, right? So always be happy, utilize your time productively and demand which is genuine, right? आज पंडित जी का बर्थडे है, उनका जन्मदिन है, तो उनकी भी एक जुबानी हो जाए. सो आई वांट टू साइट ए कोट which is written by Nehru himself, Chacha Nehru himself. Failure comes only when you forget your ideals, objectives and principles. So never forget your ideals and always follow the right principle and focus on your objectives. Then only you will be awarded with great success in your life. And सबसे important thing, don't put too much pressure upon yourself. Be happy, be healthy. My heartfelt love and affection and good wishes are always with you. Wish you a wonderful and cheerful and a very, 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 very happy Children's Day again. Thank you.
If you plant honesty, you reap trust. If you plant goodness, you reap friends. But if you plant humility, you reap greatness. विनम्रता का व्यवहार जो रखता है वही व्यक्ति जीवन में महान बनता है. Students, with this thought, I would like to tell you all, keep the child within you alive always. To the child within you, I wish a very happy Children's Day. Thank you all.
Hello students, I wish a very happy Children's Day to all of you, and also I wish a very good luck for your better future and your exam also. Do well and be a very good person and being human. Thank you.
Okay, my dear students, wish you all a very, very happy Children's Day and happy Diwali. God bless you all. Thank you.
Hello my Xavier's family, my lovely kids. Wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Every child is a miracle, with each having their own ways to make this world a beautiful place for us. Even though we may be your teachers, but we have a lot of things to learn from you every day. Thank you all for teaching us every day on daily basis how to live life at its fullest extent, how to always smile in every situation. So happy Children's Day students, keep smiling and may you always shine like the brightest star in the sky. Thank you all. Once again, wish you all a very happy Children's Day.
Hello, my dear students, myself Mitravan Mahanta, blessing you very, very happy Children's Day and happy Diwali. Thank you.
Good morning children. Wish you happy Children's Day, all of you. So in this Children's Day, I want to say that just remember one thing. In this world, we are able to purchase anything. Just one thing which we can purchase. This is our childhood. So just enjoy your childhood as much as possible.
Happy Children's Day, my dear students. God bless you and all the best for your upcoming future.
Hello my dear students, myself Upendra Yadav, wishing you a very, very happy Children's Day and happy Diwali. God bless you all and stay blessed and happy. Thank you.
Hello children, I just wanted to say you that very, very, very happy Children's Day. We are very fortunate to have you children. Without you, our education system will not to be completed. I am always connected with my children and my children are very good and I have also a faith on them and my children are also very much nicely connected to me. That's what it feels happy to me. And for your upcoming board exam, all the best for that. You have to prepare yourself, you have to give your best. You will be the future doctor, nurse and so many more profession and maybe also the teacher of future generations. So all the best for that. Thank you. Be with us. Thank you. Be a part of our life.
Dear children, you are the precious gifts of God. You are such flowers whose beauty and fragrance can bind the hearts of millions together. You are the future of tomorrow and the nation builder. So within you dwells Allah, Ishai and Ishwar. These are the best things I can say to my dear students on this auspicious occasion of Children's Day. Wishing you all a happy Children's Day and all the best for your prosperous and vibrant future. Thank you.
Hello students, happy Children's Day. May God bless you all for your upcoming future.
Every child is a different kind of flower and all together make this world a beautiful place to live in. Happy Children's Day to all of you guys. In this very day, I want to share something with you guys. The lines goes like this. बचपन बीत गया लेकिन बचपना ना गया, खेलते थे गुड्डा गुडिया और खिलौने से, अब खेलते हैं किताबों से। बोझ ऐसा पड़ा कि अपने अंदर समा बच्चा कहीं जाके छिप गया। मनाते थे त्योहार धूमधाम से लेकिन कोरोना ऐसा छाया देश पे कि लगता है सब कुछ हमसे छिन गया। पर हम कहाँ रुकने वाले हैं, हम खेलेंगे पढ़ेंगे और आगे हमेशा बढ़ते रहेंगे, क्योंकि हम भविष्य है इस देश का, जिम्मा है हम पे इसको आगे बढ़ा के लेके जाने का। Leave your child inside you guys. We hope to continue to bring joys in your life. Thank you.
Hello students, welcome back to your online classes. But today we are not going to study anything because it's your day, it's the Children's Day. Yes. So happy Children's Day to all of you and happy Diwali also to all of you. तो बच्चों, जैसे कि आप लोगों को पता है हर साल ये चिल्ड्रंस डे के मौके पे हम लोग स्कूल में बहुत अच्छे से सेलिब्रेट करते थे। बहुत कुछ होता था स्कूल में आप लोगों के लिए, बट ड्यू टू दैट कोरोना पैंडेमिक कुछ भी नहीं हो पा रहा है फिजिकली। दैट्स व्हाई यू आर थिंकिंग टू मेक ए वर्चुअल वीडियो। ठीक है, तो जैसे कि आप लोग घर में बैठ के वही सेम मजा थोड़ा पा सकते हो, सब टीचर्स क्या कुछ वर्ड्स आप लोग सुन सकते हो। ठीक है बच्चों, सो अगेन हैप्पी दिवाली एंड हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे टू ऑल ऑफ यू। मे गॉड ब्लेस यू, मे गॉड ब्रिंग ऑल द हैप्पीनेस एंड सक्सेस इन योर लाइफ। सो दैट्स ऑल फ्रॉम माई साइड। थैंक यू ऑल, हैव ए नाइस डे ऑल ऑफ यू। स्टे सेफ, स्टे एट योर होम। जय जगन्नाथ।